Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes B-Class. This is a 2018 model, still the w246 chassis. Just going to show you the location of the obd2 port, and basically if you go driver's side down the back well and you look down here, there will be this little door. Right, so let's get some light. So if you open that little door, that's where your OBD port is. So basically that's where you can plug in the computer to read for fault codes, and then you can just close that little cover. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.